welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one. This one is Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro. This one is the Union Guava Ice. So the resale value on this one is pretty high right now. So my son got lucky, he won the drawing on this, and then here it is. So let's go and then show you guys what the shoes look like. So he's gonna keep this pair for a while. Maybe the resale value is gonna go up to like a $2,000. So the box is upside down, and as you see, it's a Jumpman with the Union. So it just got delivered today, and this one required like a signature. It's got the Nike swoosh air sole Jumpman, and you got this recycle logo on here. And it says this airsole brand shoes contain airsole brand insole. Got the Jumpman with the Union. And you got the Nike ink. The box made in China. Here's a 360 view of the box real quick. Got the Union. And right here you got the Jumpman Union again. Size blank. And you got the Jumpman Union again with this white ring. Let's go and then focus on this size sticker. So this one is size 10.5 Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Guava Ice LT Fusion Red, and this pair it is made in China. The retail price on this is $250, and right here is a UPC code. I'm going to rotate it so you guys can read the number in case you guys want to do some legit check for your pair later on. Alright, so let's go and then unbox this. So there's a dimension for the lid. And then there's no stamp or anything for the number. Got this Michael Jordan. It's a colorful tissue paper. And here's another layer of white. Wow. The shoes smell so good. Wow, look at that. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, there's a floss right here. It looks like a glue. So this color yellow, it matches the color of the lid. missile. And inside there's the airbag. And here's a tag with the UN and then LA. And then there's nothing on the inside. You got this clear cage right here with the translucent blue. And here's the pink on the lace system. And this is almost like a salmon color, but not really salmon. Got another pink one right here. And translucent blue. Translucent again. Got this on the cage. All mesh material. And you got this like a light gray right here on the top of the toe box. So this is suede. It's pretty nice shoes. Got the Nike Swoosh Air on the back of the heel cup. And you got the red mesh right here. It's almost like a magenta actually, it's not red. Here's the tag, the Jumpman tag with the union. Oh, so this is almost like a silicone. I thought it was a hard plastic, but it is not. As you can see, it is bendable. And then there's a chain. Wow, there's like a loose thread over there. Let me check it out real quick. Got this white lace with a white tip. Let's go ahead and turn on the light because it's so dark in there, you know. Alright, there you go. On the insole, you got the Jumpman with the union. And then there's a men's size 10.5 sticker right there. Let's go ahead and take out the shoes tree. There's a shoes tree right here. You got the Jumpman recycle logo. And this is 10 to 10.5. Molded sock liner. See, this is what I'm talking about. You got the loose thread on both ends. Want to look at this tongue right here. Wow, look at that. You got the Jordan in the red, or actually magenta box logo. And you got the Union in black. And those are like a gold stitching line right there. And then on the bottom of the tongue, it's like a silver with this TPU yellow. And then there's like a hole right there. Let's go ahead and check out the size label. And it is DC 9533-8 800. And be sure to look at the UPC code right there. And this one is made in China. So I'll go ahead and check out the bottom also. You got this Nike in the navy blue color. Inside this is magenta right here. And right here there's a white section of this outsole right there. Let's go ahead and check out the other pair. Wow, it comes with this yellow, like I don't know, yellow orange color lace. Got the UN and then the LA right here again. Yeah, this one's pretty nice. Not sure if you could take out the insole or not. Let me try on the other pairs. I don't want to take out the shoe tree, so let's go and check it out. Alright, so this pair it is not glue in. Some of the Nike it is glue in. So it shows 10.5 P right there. It's pretty soft, so it's going to be very comfortable. So there's no cutout or anything like that. So let's go in and check out the inside. I'm not sure why Nike they always do that. Inside they always tape it with those extra thread. They're like a 4 thread that's in there. And let's go in and check out the stitching on the side. Okay. So it says 10.5, and then there's a Chinese 左 left, but it's in a reverse order. Left means 左, 右 means right. Okay. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.